Hi, I'm Coach Megan.
And I'm Coach Melissa.
And we're back with another recipe in our meal prep series. This time we are making a one-pan sausage and garlic veggies dish for you.
This recipe should take about 40 minutes from start to finish. Pair it with some rice or quinoa and you'll have about 4 meals ready for your week.
Check out the recipe on our blog, Words of Wellness, and let's get started.
Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Line a large sheet pan with foil or parchment paper. Next, we're going to prep the veggies. You'll want to chop your potato, trim your green beans, then cut them in half, chop the broccoli and the peppers, and then cut the sausage into thick slices.
Toss the veggies and sausage into a bowl, add your spices and a little bit of olive oil, coat them evenly, and then throw those onto the sheet pan.
You'll bake this for 15 minutes, remove it from the oven, flip and stir the vegetables around, and then return it to the oven and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the veggies are crisp and tender and the sausage is browned.
If you'd like, sprinkle some freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the veggies and sausage as soon as they come out of the oven, and you could enjoy this with rice or quinoa and fresh parsley if desired.